I wonder if you're as curious as I am to find out how these bananas are grown, harvested, and made ready for the market. Well, lucky for us, JP Farms has agreed to show us just that. So join me, Lauren and Maddie on our tour of JP Farms. Let's go! Before we visit our farm, it's very important that you understand the necessity and importance of our fruits grown right here in Jamaica. So get ready for some did you know facts. Did you know that Jamaica is full of yummy fruits that grow all year round? Because we have sunshine, warm weather, and rich soil. Fruits can grow easily all over the island. That means we can enjoy fresh fruits like mangoes, bananas, papayas, and many more. Let's start with mangoes. Did you know Jamaica has many types of mangoes? Like East Indians, Julie, and even Blackie. Some are sweet, some are soft, and some are a little stringy. But all of them are delicious. Next up is bananas. Bananas grow all over Jamaica, and you can find them any time of year. They're soft, sweet, and give you lots of energy, perfect for school, sports, or playtime. You can eat them ripe, green, or even cook them. That's how useful bananas are. Did you know pineapples love hot weather? In Jamaica, pineapples grow big, juicy, and super sweet. They're perfect for juice, fruit salad, or just eating fresh. Next up is Jamaica's very own special fruit, ackee. Ackee has been regarded as Jamaica's national fruit and is officially recognized as part of the national symbols of Jamaica. Ackee can be seen as special because of its recognizable properties. To safely eat an ackee, it must naturally be opened in order to avoid consuming its toxicity. When cooked, it becomes soft and is often eaten with saltfish in Jamaica's national dish. Let's move on to guava. Guava is a very popular fruit in Jamaica that grows on trees and can be eaten when it's green or ripe. It is usually round and has a yellow or green skin with a soft pink inside. Guava can be eaten fresh, blended into juice, or used to make sweets or jams that can be added onto bread or even crackers. Papaya, also called pawpaw in Jamaica, is a soft orange fruit that grows in warm tropical areas. It has black seeds in the middle that are not eaten, but the sweet orange flesh is very healthy. In Jamaica, papaya is often eaten fresh, blended into juice, or added to fruit bowls. And lastly, let's talk about guineps. Guinep is a small green fruit that grows in bunches on trees. Inside is a sweet jelly-like pulp that covers the seed, which is the base. The guinep is a fun snack for kids, but you must be careful with the seed because it is sometimes big and should not be swallowed. Guinep is usually eaten fresh, straight from the skin.
Hello everybody, welcome to JP Farms. Here we are in our pineapple fields where we use sustainable practices to bring fruit fresh from the farm to you. This is essentially where it all begins. It starts with the right material planted in the ground. From here, it will take anywhere from 12 to 16 months for you to have a ready pineapple available for you to consume. Our pineapples are local grown by Jamaicans, fresh and harvested on a daily basis and sent to the different supermarkets, shops and markets where you pick up our produce and enjoy. So we welcome you to JP Farm.
Hey kids! We're with Kadeen Jardine.
And I'm an agricultural engineer, technical program coordinator at JP Farms.
And she's here to tell us all about guava.
Or superfruit. So what is a superfruit and why do we call it a superfruit? This is because it has 3 times more vitamin C than oranges, and it has more fiber and protein compared to papayas.
What are some common challenges while growing guava?
So let me first talk about fruits in common. So all fruits are susceptible to be damaged by pests and diseases. And here at JP Farms, we are on the sustainable side. So we try our best to really combat these plants, these pests and diseases with the power of nature itself. And that is why we use bags to bag our guava. These bags do not contain anything such as the chemicals, but they act as a physical barrier, as one of our main challenges with guavas would be the pests and the diseases.
Why is guava important to the ecosystem?
Wow, ecosystem, great question. So our guavas, similar to other fruits, it's important because the guavas create a balance with the environment. So of course, when we have the leaves falling on the ground, they decompose and then they add back nutrients to the soil. And as it relates to the humans in the ecosystem, I said earlier that these are superfruits and they have extreme nutritional values. So they have a lot of vitamin C, a lot of protein, a lot of potassium that helps humans.
What's the hardest part about growing guava?
I could say the challenges, I think similar to all crops, just to try to find that balance with the environment. And that is why with the changes in the sunlight, the changes in the rainfall pattern, but here at JP Farms we have our irrigation system, and that helps us to understand and to be able to irrigate when we have no rain. And our irrigation system, as you can see here, you're not seeing any irrigation lines because we have them buried underneath to be able to be more efficient with the irrigation process.
Besides eating it fresh, what else can be made from guava?
Wow, great question. So otherwise from fresh consumption, you can use these to make smoothies, to make juice, add it in your fruit salad.
What is the biggest misconception people have about guava?
I think when persons see the size of these guavas, the color of these guavas, they start to think that maybe these are not locally grown. But you are here today and you're experiencing that these guavas, I picked this one directly from the tree, and that you're experiencing that they're actually grown here in St. Mary at JP Farms with sustainable practices.
Stay tuned, watch and win. We'll be right back.
Let's go, Larks, vámonos. Clap your hands and tap your toes. Let's go, Larks, vámonos. Learning Spanish as we go. The Living Ark Learning. Come aboard and sing hurrah. Let's go, Larks, vámonos. Everybody, here we go.
Bienvenidos, niños y niñas. I am Auntie Carmen of the Living Ark Learning Club.
Hola, Tia Carmen.
Hola, Larks. Now, do you remember what we learned the last time?
Yes, we met Noah's family and learned the names of the family members.
Now, let's see if you remember the Spanish words for family members with a family quiz. ¿Listos?
Listos! Let's go, Larks! Let's go! Vámonos, Larks! Vámonos!
Ella es A, padre, B, abuela, C, tía.
Ella es abuela.
Él es A, hermana, B, prima, C, hermano.
Él es hermano.
Ella es A, madre, B, prima, C, padre.
Ella es madre.
Ella es A, abuela, B, tía, C, tío.
Ella es tía.
Él es A, hermano, B, abuelo, C, primo.
Él es primo.
Now, Larks, please note that in Spanish, most family member names that are female end with A. For example, prima. While most male family names like primo end with O. Muy bien, Larks. Now, do you remember why Dios told Noah to build el arca, el barco enorme?
To save his family and the animals from the flood. But Tia Carmen, what about the animals?
Patience, Larks, patience. We are going to meet a few of them. ¿Listos?
Listos!
Now, the word for animal in Spanish is animal.
But that looks the same in English.
It only sounds different.
Muy bien. Very good observation. For more than one animal in English, we say animals. However, in Spanish, more than one animals are animales. Now, Dios told Noah to put 2 of every animal in the ark. Dos de todos los animales en el arca.
Yes, a boy and a girl animal.
Muy bien.
But Tia Carmen, there are so many animals, thousands of them.
Now, that's why today we only meet a few of them. However, let us learn some Spanish words for numbers. First, 1 is uno.
Uno,
2 is dos.
dos,
3 is tres.
tres,
4 is cuatro.
cuatro,
5 is cinco.
cinco. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Muy bien, very good. So let us meet the animals. 1 pig, 2 pigs.
Un cerdo, dos cerdos. Oink, oink.
1 donkey, 2 donkeys.
Un burro, dos burros. Hee-haw, hee-haw.
1 cow, 2 cows.
Una vaca, dos vacas. Moo, moo.
1 chicken, 2 chickens.
Una gallina, dos gallinas. Clock, clock, clock.
Tia Carmen, what about dogs and cats?
I love dogs and cats.
Yes, and we should love them because they are family pets. Let's meet a few of them. 1 dog, 2 dogs.
Un perro, dos perros. Woof, woof.
1 cat, 2 cats.
Un gato, dos gatos. Meow, meow.
1 bird, 2 birds.
Un pájaro, dos pájaros. Tweet, tweet. Tia Carmen, a lark is also un pájaro.
That's right, a lark is a very happy bird. 1 elephant, 2 elephants.
Un elefante, dos elefantes. Trot, trot.
1 lion, 2 lions.
Un león, dos leones. Roar, roar.
1 monkey, 2 monkeys.
Un mono, dos monos. Ah, ah.
Now, larks at home, let's see how much of these animals you can remember with the Spanish animal quiz. Take it away, larks.
What is the word for animal in Spanish? Is it A, perro, B, familia, C, animal? The answer is C, animal. How many of each animal went into el arca? Was it A, dos animales, B, un animal, C, tres animales? The answer is A, dos animales. How do you say cat in Spanish? Is it A, perro, B, gato, C, pájaro? The answer is B, gato. How do you say lion in Spanish? Is it A, elefante, B, mono, C, león? The answer is C, león. Muy bien.
Boys and girls, we had so much fun. Today we learned Spanish words for animals and we had fun quizzes. Now the Larks will lead us in prayer. Larks at home, please join.
Gracias Dios por mi familia y mis amigos. Thank you God for my family and friends. Gracias Dios por todos los niños. Thank you God for all the children. Gracias Dios por todos los animales. Thank you God for all the animals. Te amamos Señor. Amen.
We hope you enjoy the summer adventure with us on the Ark, El Arca. Until next time, hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
The Living Ark El Arca, come aboard and sing hurrah! Let's go, Larks, vámonos! Everybody, here we go!
Hey kids! JP Farm is mostly known for their bananas. And Rashane Ford is here to chat with us about banana production on JP Farm.
Welcome to JP Farms. My name is Rashane Ford and I am the Sigatoka supervisor and the banana team leader here at JP Farms. I am an agronomist, an agriculturalist and also an old farmer indeed. So here at JP Farms, as you just witnessed, we just witnessed how our bananas, pretty nice bananas, move from the trees onto you, our value-added customers. Here at JP Farms, we have strict SOPs to ensure that our bananas are safe, reliable, and it's a name that you guys can trust.
What varieties of bananas are grown here?
So here at JP Farms, we mainly have Cavendish variety of bananas.
So what does that mean?
Cavendish basically means that bananas that are edible.
So there are bananas that are not edible?
Yes, you have bananas that are for flowers or for decoration. You have bananas that are edible bananas, that, like what we grow here. And you have different types of bananas, yes.
How many bananas typically come from one plant?
All right, so one tree produces one bananas between 6 to 9 months. So that is why we really take care of that one bunch that we're getting from that tree.
What are some of the biggest challenges faced when growing bananas?
One of the biggest challenges that we face while growing bananas is to grow that perfect bananas. Because the challenge that we have is that the edible variety is the hardest variety to cultivate, which is the Cavendish. So if you look, we try to perfect as best as we can how to have that perfect banana from our farm here to you and yourselves.
How do you protect banana plants from pests and diseases?
Very good question. Let's go here. So firstly, we have an activity here at JP Farms that is known as deflowering. And deflowering, in essence, what we try to do is to remove the sweet part of the flower or the parts of the flower that the pests like, and that's here. And these are the flowers that attract the pests because these actually has nectar. And the pests, they like the sweet. So we remove these, and also we remove parts of certain hands to kind of have the biggest and the best quality fingers for our consumers. Also, what we in essence try to also do is we have an organic sleeve. And this sleeve, what it does is protects from external environments such as the dust, the winds, and other insects that may affect the quality of our fruits here. And last but certainly not least, what we also do is to remove the home of the pest. Right? We have some pest that lives in the trash of the pseudostems, so we remove those, and in removing those we expose them to the external environment so that we can actively reduce the population and get rid of them so that they don't affect the quality of our fruits here.
What should consumers look for when choosing good quality bananas?
So what the consumers look for in Jamaica, my grandma would say we have a sweet tooth. But with bananas, you cannot look and know if it is sweet from sight. So firstly, we try to have a nice, consistent, pretty color, yellow color when it is ripe. And with that, firstly, that's the first sign based on appearance that a banana will taste good. And then secondly, is that when you take that banana that is nice and yellow and pretty that we have, then you taste them and you see that our bananas are always sweet.
How important is banana farming to Jamaica's ecosystem?
Banana farming is very important to Jamaica ecosystem because we have a list of cultural practices and activities that we carry out on our farm to ensure that all the members of the ecosystem live in a very, very good environment. For example, we have cover crops here that retains moisture in the soil so that the plants will have more moisture readily available. Also, we have mycorrhizas, and these are actually the good bacteria like what is in your stomach that interacts with the molecules and also different type of pests that we don't need in the soil. So it's like an organic, natural way of interacting with the pests that are in the soil. In addition, bananas are very, very good source of potassium, and they are actually very good for children and Jamaica at large to eat.
What are some special qualities possessed by bananas?
So the special qualities that bananas have is that it grows upwards. So if you look on banana, it grows upwards, and that is because of negative tropism. Also, it is very, very sweet, one of the best ones, and also it's nice and pretty and yellow.
How important is rainfall and sunlight to banana farming?
Both factors are very, very important to growing bananas because a little bit of too much of those, it is bad, and too less of those is also bad. So what we do here at JP Farms is to strike an optimum balance to having the bananas as happy as they can be. Because if you have a banana that is happy and growing at optimum rate, then a happy plant equals a happy banana. Happy banana equals a sweet banana.
Okay, thank you, Watch and Win, for dropping by at JP Farms. I welcome you all and I hope to see you again shortly. And I hope you enjoy everything.
Kaylee, did you have fun on the farm today?
I sure did. Today was a long but very good day.
We hope you had as much fun in this episode as we did.
Well, that's it for today's episode. See you next time!